separate me. I release a lot of ethylene gas and make other fruits ripen and rot really quickly. Leave me alone!
These short, AI-generated talking food videos are blowing up right now. Some of these channels are getting millions of views, and most people don't even realize how simple they are to create. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these viral AI videos step by step, using free tools, minimal effort, and a workflow you can reuse endlessly. I'll choose the supplement niche, but you can make similar videos in any niche. And the best part? You don't need to write scripts from scratch or manually design anything. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's quickly understand why this format works so well. These videos use first-person storytelling, deliver quick, surprising facts, trigger curiosity, and aha moments. They're short, visual, and loop perfectly on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. They feel educational, but also slightly emotional and personal. And that combination is algorithm gold. The first thing you want to do is open Gemini. You can also use Claude, DeepSeek, or ChatGPT. But for this tutorial, I'll be using Gemini. What we're going to do is paste this prompt. This prompt does all the heavy lifting for you. It generates the food or vegetable, the exact speech the food will say, a 3D image prompt, and a video generation prompt. So instead of thinking or writing anything manually, you just copy and paste. I shall leave links to everything, including the prompt used in the description box below. Once you paste the prompt and hit enter, ChatGPT will generate multiple options. For example, vitamin D, C, etc. And you can continue this list forever. Now pay attention to the structure of the output. You'll see speech prompt, what our supplement will say, 3D image prompt, used for image generation, video prompt, used to make the image talk. This structure is what makes the workflow insanely fast. Once you've chosen your fruit or vegetable, the next step is to create the image. You can use several tools here: Google Flow, Google Image FX, Whisk, Nano Banana, to name a few. All of these are free. For this video, I'm using Google Flow because it produces more realistic images. It allows 2K image downloads. You get limited daily access to Nano Banana Pro for free. Head over to Flow. Click New Project, choose your preferred setting. I'll opt for Landscape. Landscape is best for YouTube videos, while Portrait is great for Shorts, Reels, TikTok. I'll also set my output to 2 images. Make sure you have Nano Banana Pro selected. Paste your image prompt, then click Generate. Give it a few seconds. Once the images are ready, compare them. Choose the one you like. Click on the download button, select Download 2K, and Flow will upscale your image to 2K. Now you have a high-quality AI image ready for video. Next, we're going to turn that static image into a talking character. This is where the magic happens. For this step, we'll use Grok and LM Arena. First, open Grok. Go to Imagine. Upload your generated image. Now go back to Gemini and copy the video prompt for the same supplement you selected. Paste that prompt directly into Grok. Make sure you add the voice prompt as part of your video prompt. So I'll first paste my video prompt and then add my voice prompt. Put what your character says in quotation marks. Grok's free version currently generates 6-second videos. If your speech is too long, it will get cut off. Generate the video, then regenerate if needed. Choose the best delivery. Once your video is done, click on Upscale Video. The minute the upscale is done, you'll see this HD logo right here. Download your output. Now here's where things get interesting. You don't have to rely on just one video model. There are so many AI video generators that give you free credits. You can also use LM Arena to compare outputs from different models, get different voice styles, test realism versus expressiveness. Head to LM Arena, upload your image, paste the video prompt, compare results. This gives you creative variety, and sometimes one model performs better than the other depending on the image. Some creators alternate between Grok and LM Arena to avoid repetitive-looking videos. A very important reminder: while these videos grow fast, misinformation can get channels flagged or taken down. If you're creating content in medical, health, nutrition, make sure your information is accurate. You're not making exaggerated claims, you cross-check facts when necessary, and that's it. That's how you create these viral AI videos. I'll be dropping the prompt in the video description, so make sure you check that out. If this video helped you, like the video, drop a comment, subscribe for more AI content tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.